everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a custom header and footer in WordPress in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and give your website a personal touch without any hassle. First, head over to wordpress.com. Once you're there, click the login button. To make things simple, choose Continue with Google. This way, you can skip the extra passwords. Pick your Google account, and you'll be logged in instantly. On the right panel, you'll see the Quick Links section. Click Edit Site, and this will take you to the back end of your website where all the magic happens. Now, click on your site name to open the dashboard. This is where you'll manage all your customizations. Let's start with the header. Navigate to the top of your homepage and click on the header. A ribbon will appear with options. Click Edit to enter customization mode. On the right, open the Design section. Here you can change styles, colors, text. Really make it yours. WordPress shows all changes in real time so you can see exactly how it looks. Once you're happy with your design, scroll to the top right and hit Save. This locks in all your adjustments. And just like that, you've customized your WordPress header. Remember, a well-designed header and footer can make your site look professional and stand out to visitors. You can revisit these steps anytime to keep your website fresh.